Earlier in age, I always watched my mom cook and didn't think anything about it. And then she got sick, and then I ended up having to start cooking my dad's supper when she was like 12 years old. Didn't think it would be my passion or my career, but it just fell in love with it.
Sort of picked me a little. Started out in food service, probably doing odd jobs in the kitchen, and realizing I had a real knack for it. It came super easy, and this is, like I said, this is just so gratifying to deliver that service.
I was raised on a farm, so we always had all the chickens. You always had, the fresh eggs. And that's what people love around here. They love the fresh eggs and the chicken.
Fresh produce, and we have local fish companies that we can get things from.
The local ingredients, it's Kentucky proud. And it really stands out here to the park, too, because they know it comes from Kentucky. It's not shipped in from other places.
He'll pull up to the back with a truck, just like being at the farmer's market. You feel good about it, because they're coming from local communities. Quality is fantastic. The flavors are better. I mean, you get a tomato from those guys, and it's wow.
Catfish is the #1 thing. I mean, people love our catfish.
Well, it doesn't matter what you have on the menu. If you don't have catfish, you're in trouble because they're going to let you have it.
Our hot banana pudding we make from scratch. I mean, we get that, and we make our own custard. People go crazy over it.
I want to feature an 1.5 inch thick pork chop, maple bourbon glaze with some sweet potato straws on top, country fried steak, which is a big seller here, breaded black Angus steak, fried, white gravy, mashed potatoes, and all the fixings.
I just love satisfying people, making people smile. I mean, putting a nice dish out in front of people and just watch them enjoy it. I guess that's mostly what drives me.
You get a lot of customer interaction. They know you by name. It's just so gratifying to deliver that service with great food and even just normal conversation. So it's very rewarding, and not a lot of jobs will give you that.
Here at the lodge, I mean, you're sitting in the dining room, even though you feel like you're sitting outside. That's something that draws our customers in. Just sit and look out the window and overlook the lake. It's just fascinating, man.
Working at the state park has been very, very fulfilling. They're beautiful. I mean, and they're all unique. They have different things to offer. You've got caves, you've got hiking, you've got fishing, there's just an endless amount of things to do. As it says, there's a state park for you, and that's true.